Keeping up with the increasingly powerful and computer-assisted automobile is serious work. It can dazzle our senses 1 minute and numb them the next. We're not complaining, we just sometimes need to unwind with a hot soak-in frivolity. Such as driving a custom 1981 Toyota Landcruiser that costs as much as a new Lamborghini Huracán. Highs. Vintage cool factor, beautifully crafted, modern engine and tech. Lows. Vintage 4x4 road manners, eye-watering price, ill-suited for cold weather. You read that correctly, the restored and lightly modernized FJ43 rig you see here, the top-spec signature model from the Miami, Florida-based FJ company, stickers for $210,900 with a handful of options. A rational purchase it is not. But iconic vehicles can captivate their fan base to the point of obsession, and the classic FJ Landcruiser, most notably those built from 1955 to 1984, is nothing less than an off-road folk hero. Old becomes new. The FJ company focuses primarily on rebuilds of the FJ43 and the even shorter wheelbase FJ40 Landcruisers, but also does work on the earlier 20 Series and later 60 Series models. Starting this year, the firm intends to sell up to 24 signature-type trucks, for which our matte dune beige test example is an early prototype. Think of it as a trail-ready alternative to a Singer-built Porsche 911, albeit with greater adherence to the original vehicle's formula and at a somewhat less ridiculous price. We've compiled a visual tour of the roughly 3,500 labor-hour resurrection process. All examples are built to order, with customization starting with an impressively detailed and robust online configurator. All of the company's creations, from turnkey vehicles to contracted customer jobs, go through the same body-off restoration process at a 75,000 square foot production facility in Bogotá, Colombia. The FJ43's build quality and details are meticulously rendered and restored, such as the super cool vintage Toyota badges that wrap around one of the rear corners, and its boxy, old-school charm.